What's up everyone, it's this guy, and I apologize, I haven't posted in a while, but today's video will be, I guess, kind of a review, product sample, or kind of testing out a handheld drain auger, or a drain snake. And interesting story here is that I didn't actually need this. I had an Amazon seller reach out to me, a company called Auger. And they were basically like, hey, if we send you one of these, will you make a video about it? And I said, why don't you guys send me 3? 1 for me, and 2 to give away to my viewers. I'll add more details about the giveaway towards the end of the video. So another reason why I haven't been posting as much recently is because I've been focusing on growing my videography business. And for those of you that probably don't know, I actually freelance as a videographer that specializes in training videos and training tutorials. And I've actually got another channel that I've been building that's called Launchpad B, and there's a link here if you want to check out that video. If you want to support me, please subscribe to that channel. Now in that channel I also post tutorials, but a lot of that is more geared around how to make videos yourself. So if you're interested into getting into videography or using videos in some way to promote, or video editing and all of that, I've got tutorials there to teach pretty much anybody how to do it. So moving on. So Auger reached out to me, they sent me this auger, they wanted me to make a video basically on how to use it. Now the problem for me is that I don't have any clogged drains in my house. I guess it's not a problem, right? It's kind of a good thing. So I had to kind of create the drain clog. Now my wife, being who she is, would not allow me to run around and clog the drains. So I had to kind of get a little creative. So I went ahead and I built a Mythbusters style set where I had to go ahead and set up a drain and then clog it to the best of my ability. Now, all truth be told, most of the footage that I shot was being used for a promotional video for Amazon, but I also wanted to have some fun with this. So what I went ahead and did is I built a set, and then I went about clogging the plumbing as best as possible. And in order to make that happen, I had to find hair. So I got hair from all the hairbrushes in the house, and then I had to get the vacuum cleaners out and get all the hair out of the vacuum cleaners as well. And I got a pretty nice chunk of hair, but hair alone doesn't clog drains. If you've ever dealt with a clogged drain before, you know that there's all kinds of gelatinous debris in there. You know, it's like skin cells and plaque from your teeth and soap scum and slime and all kinds of stuff in there. So in order to create slime, I decided to introduce bacon grease. So I took my big old wad of hair and stuck it in some bacon grease and swirled it around, and it was pretty foul. Then I jammed that down into the drain, and that's how I created the clog for this bad boy to tackle. Now, there's a couple of things that were important there. Number one, this had to get the clog out without pushing it further into the drain line, which was a concern of mine. And number two, it had to remove the entire clog. Now, it's been my experience with hair clogs and P-traps, especially, that I've seen a lot, that they tend to clump together pretty well. Another thing that I did during the promotional video that I shot is I took a sponge, this one right here, and I rolled it up. And I rolled it up like this real tight, and then I jammed that down into the plumbing of my actual sink. Now, please don't tell my wife, because she would kill me. But I jammed it down into the sink for the purpose of creating a clogged sink for the video I was doing. Now, the plan was that I was going to have to pull the P-trap out and then push the thing down with the stick to get it out the other side and get it out. But surprisingly, this thing took it out instantly. I have to do nothing extra. So I was already impressed with the performance of this thing just by pulling out the sponge. So pretty cool. Now, when it came to doing the actual stunt, pulling the clog out of the drain line, this bad boy actually did pretty good. I got the snake down in there, gave it a couple of turns, got it into the drain, and then I gave it a couple of turns. And the little coils that are on here actually dug into the actual clog itself, and I was able to pull it all out in one shot. So I was pretty impressed because it cleared the clog and also because it pulled the sponge out of the sink. So pretty cool, right? So this isn't a how to fix video like I normally do. This is just more of me rambling about a product that I got to try out and some work that I'm doing with them behind the scenes for a professional project for an Amazon listing. But it was a lot of fun to do, and I was pleasantly surprised that this $20 or less than $20 piece of equipment actually cleared a clog pretty well. So kudos to them for it. Now, as far as the giveaway is concerned, I will be giving away 2 of these. This one's mine. Can't have the third one. All you'll need to do is, number 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Number 2, leave a comment below and give me a funny story about a clog that you had in your own home. I'll take a look at that. Make sure you post those within the first week of this video going live. I will choose 2 winners, and then I'll get a hold of you and I'll send you your very own drain soon. Drain. Clog remover auger thing. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel. Make sure you subscribe. And like I said, if you're interested in learning how to do videography stuff, subscribe to my other channel. Thanks for watching.